Welcome to Plant a Garden TV, back with another video. Today we're gonna walk through our garden. This is gonna be a garden tour. This is gonna be a rebound from all the challenges that we faced during this year. So right in this area here, guys, this is a patch of Edo. We also have Dasheen, we also have Tanya, but the most of them is Edos. And now I was walking through, and what I was doing, I was actually cleaning out the Edos them, because since the rain come, there's a lot of grass grow up between them. So I definitely come to, let me show you how they was looking a few minutes ago. A few minutes ago, this is how they was looking. The grass was actually taking them over. So I had was to get in here and clean them up. Now you can see, basically you can see through them. So this is a part of my Edo patch. It's important to mold them up when they're young. It's important to make sure the soil around their root is soft, because this is how they're gonna generate bigger tube for you. So today we already wake up over here, get the grass out, so we have to maintain this. We got to come back in and we got to dig dirt and put around their roots. But this is the beginning, getting rid of the weeds. Over here, we have to do the same thing, because if you notice, the weeds them is way bigger than the Edo plant. So let's go to the garden, guys, and let me show you all the challenging that happened during the year. But guess what? We have a solid bounce back, and we're grateful. We always got to be grateful. All right, so this is some collards, have some white flies on them. So I'm not even going to bother with them. I'm just going to leave them right there and let them white fly do their job by tearing them up. Yeah, so this is a little bed I have here with scallion, sage, and rosemary. And this is a leaf of life growing up inside there. We also have some shisho plant coming up, which I pull out a lot of the shisho plant because they was, you know, they will take over your garden. And I'm going to show you a patch of shisho that I have down here. So right here we have ginger. Our ginger is getting real green and powerful at this time, looking wonderful. We have more we're going to show you in a minute. This is my sweet potato vines that the deer comes in and they eat them down to the ground. So now, as we can see, even up this side, as we can see, our sweet potato is coming back really well. So right here, as you can see, guys, we have a small patch of the Edos. This is a small patch of Edos right here. We now mold them up, as you can see, and weed them out. And over here, this is some comfrey plants coming on here. We already harvest some of the leaf to make compost. This area here, guys, we had some squash growing up in this area, and listen me, the deer comes and eat them down to the ground. So right now, they're just looking to recover. As you see, I tie them up to see if there's any hopes, but the deer did them really bad. So over here, guys, we have some black-eyed peas growing right here. This is what your black-eyed peas are already start trailing them already. You can see the string. We have another row of black-eyed peas coming up right here. We're going to allow them to run up on that trail. We're not going to create no trail for them, but we have to clean behind there and get rid of all them weeds that comes up. This is our peach tree right here, which, as you can see, still have a few peach, but the weather has cold weather this year. It was so challenging, we lose a lot of our flowers. All right, so even over here we have little squash coming back from getting bite down. Up in this area here, we have edos again growing. We have some squash rebounding from down here, hoping that we can get some luck. We have cucumber, and we notice we have a squash there, like it trying to do its thing. And right here we have a pile of leaf that we harvest out of our garden to make composting. So let's go down a little more, guys. Let's go down a little more. So over here, as you can see, we set some more squash, because our squash get so much problem with the deer. So we come back and we set more squash, which looking pretty healthy and nice. Let's see how they're gonna turn out. And this little area right here, guys, what we have growing here, we have okra. We have okra growing here, and as you can see, the okra them start picking height already. I start them late, but we still have a lot of time. Very soon they're gonna start to push flowers. These are my bell pepper, guys. My bell pepper recovering. If you notice down to the bottom there, you're gonna see where the deers them eat off all of the leaf, every ounce of the leaf. Look down here too, but they're recovering really well. You see over here again, these are some seed from some 9 feet bell pepper tree, and we was planning to grow 9 feet bell pepper tree again this year, but guess what, the deer has come in our garden and challenged us. But guess what, we're not gonna give up. We're still gonna try to grow our 8-foot bell pepper tree. You see, look how they bite off their top. And guess what, the pepper them was producing when the deer them come and eat them off. So all this is bell pepper. Look at this one here, guys. Eat off the top. Look at this one here, already start to blossom already. So this is what's going on over this side here, guys. Over here again, this is our tomato, and in our tomato little patch right here, the deer has come and the deer eat off all the top of the tomato, every ounce, every part. So what we did, we come back in our garden. We also realized this limb here had some roots, so we cover the root. And everything is doing well so far, guys. So this is our little tomato spot. Yes, start to blossom again. This is a squash that they eat down that did not recover at all. Still ain't recovered yet. Right in this area here, guys, we have sweet potato growing in this area where you see between the banana leaf them. That's sweet potato. We got to clean them out, and we got to add more soil. Alright, so down here, guys, this is where we have our more edos. This is more edos. We had some butternut squash growing here. The deer eat them off as well. So we're trying to see if they're gonna recover. So if you look down here, guys, you're gonna see a bunch of edos again